Howdy, hey, shindiggers and vagabonders. Tony Pivo here, Solar Van Man, back with another video about the Spartan Manor. So what you're looking at is a steel window frame. It was manufactured by the Marvel Window Company, which was in business from the 1940s through the 1960s. I can only hazard a guess that the reason they chose to use a steel window frame was rigidity. They did not want the glass to break. This is a very large, roughly 32-inch wide, 18-inch tall window frame. And you can see the arm here, so you can adjust how far open it is. Screens were all the rage in 1946 because there was no air conditioning, although she's about to get one. 80 years after her birth. So Brandon's gonna have the rest of this frame out. Let's take a look at the rest of it. So there's the awning portion of the window. This is the hinge here, which is as simple as it gets. That slides in to the top frame piece, which is right up there and on the frame. And there is the original rain awning eyebrow, which will be put back up there. And of course, we'll be, after we powder coat this frame and hardware, we'll be putting galvanic protection. I'll make another video on the chemical that we use, but we'll be treating, well, actually we'll have about 3 ways of galvanic protection, and that deserves its own video right there, because you have to be very careful when you're bonding steel to aluminum. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Go camping.